Alright, let's suppose you have a video but wanted to give a more nostalgic looking like this one. This is the best way to do it. First, go here to the Edit tab. Be sure to click on the effects right here. To make things even better, we can easily change the proportion of the video simply by clicking here at Timeline and then Output Blanking. Select 1.33, which is 4:3 aspect ratio. Now, in this lower portion, go for Toolbox, Effects, and then click and drag into the timeline this adjustment clip. Drag the adjustment clip until it covers all of your videos in the timeline. Click here at Color tab. Click in these clips right here and select the adjustment clip. Now, click here at Nodes. By clicking here in Color, Nodes and add Splitter Combiner node or simply pressing Alt plus Y, we've got this mess right here, but don't be scared. Select the very first one and then click here at the Sizing icon, and then Node Sizing. Here you can change this value of pen to give a more VHS looking video. I'll give it a value of 8. You can do the same process for all 3 videos in the notes section here and the value you think is the best for you. The next step is opening the Google search engine and search for free VHS Overlay Pack. Open the very first option from Color Grading Central. Click on Free Download and wait for the download to finish. Once you've extracted all the necessary files to your computer, go to the Cut tab here and import the VHS texture into your timeline. Go back to the Edit tab, click and drag the VHS texture.mp4 into the timeline on the top of the adjustment clip we've made. Now, you can either duplicate this VHS texture video into the timeline or drag the video into the timeline again. Now all you need to do is drag the videos until they are proportional to the videos you have in the timeline. Click in the first VHS texture video, and in this Inspector tab, search in the video proportions for composite. Select Color Dodge for the best result. Do the same process for the other video. Now, open the folder you've extracted from the file we've downloaded. To open this VCR_OST_mono, click here at Install at the left upper corner. Save your project by going here at File and Save Project, and then close Davinci Resolve. Open it again. Open the saved project, and now, in here in Edit tab, go for Toolbox, Titles, and select his test right here, of which the presenting image is basic title. Click and drag it into the video. Now, double-click on the text at the screen, and in this section right here, type the date you want to in the video. Now, click here at Theme to select the font you've just added into Davinci Resolve, which is VCR. Pick a color you think is more suitable to the video. Now, position the font right here using the values of position X and Y. In this case, I'm going to position the text on the lower left corner of the video. Click on the text in the timeline with the right button click, and then go for a new composite clip. Rename it as you want, and then let's remake the steps from the initial part. Go to the Color tab, select here Clips, and select the video called Compound Video. This time, I use the keyboard shortcut, which is Alt plus Y. Select the second video this time and change the values of pen one more time. You can see that the font has changed. Change it until you're satisfied. Go to the Edit tab and, to give a more old looking footage, we can also, by pressing B or going into the Removal tool right here, select a very short portion of your video. You can also do it by pressing the rightward or leftward arrow from your keyboard. Advance somewhere between 5 or 10 frames. Do as many as you wish. Go here to the Effects, and then Toolbox, Effects, and apply the digital glitch effect at these portions of your video that you've cut. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.